Sam, you seem stressed. Is everything okay?
I'm better now, but last week was crazy.
What happened?
I ordered something online. It was supposed to arrive on Monday.
And?
It didn't arrive, and that's when the problem started. Hello, everyone. Welcome to English at the Corner Café. I'm Sam.
And I'm Alex. Today, Sam is going to tell us about a lost package.
It wasn't exactly lost. It was somewhere, but I didn't know where.
Let's start from the beginning. What did you order?
A birthday gift for my sister. Her birthday is next week.
So it was important.
Very important. I found a beautiful scarf online. Perfect for her.
When did you order it?
2 weeks ago. The website said delivery in 5 to 7 business days.
That's pretty normal.
Yes, so I wasn't worried. I waited.
And it didn't arrive?
On Monday, I got a notification on my phone. Your package has been delivered.
Oh, that's good.
That's what I thought. I was excited. I went to my front door. No package.
Maybe they left it somewhere else.
I checked everywhere. I looked by the back door. I looked in the mailbox. Nothing.
That's strange.
I checked the app again. It said delivered to front door at 2:15 p.m.
And it wasn't there.
Nothing was there. I was confused.
What did you do?
I called the delivery company. I waited on hold for 20 minutes.
20 minutes? That's long.
Very long. Finally, someone answered. I explained the problem.
What did they say?
According to our system, the package was delivered successfully.
But you didn't have it.
Exactly. I said, but I don't have the package. It's not here.
Did they believe you?
Sometimes drivers leave packages with neighbors. Did you check with your neighbors?
That's a good point.
So I hung up and knocked on my neighbor's door, the neighbor on the left.
Did they have it?
No, they said, sorry, we didn't receive anything for you.
What about the other neighbor?
I went to the neighbor on the right. Same answer. No package.
This is like a mystery.
It was frustrating. I went back inside. I called the company again.
Another 20 minutes on hold?
Yes, but this time a different person answered. I explained everything again.
That must have been annoying.
It was. The second person said, I'll open an investigation. We'll contact you in 2-3 business days.
2-3 days? But your sister's birthday.
I know, I said, but I need this gift soon. Can you help me faster?
What did they say?
I'm sorry, but investigations take time.
Not very helpful.
Not at all. So I hung up feeling stressed.
What did you do then?
I decided to check one more time. I went outside. I walked around my building slowly.
Looking for the package?
Yes, and then I saw it.
You found it!
Sort of. I saw it on a balcony, a different apartment.
A different apartment? How?
The building numbers are confusing. My apartment is 4B, but there's also 4D right above me.
Oh, no.
The driver delivered it to 4D instead of 4B.
Did you go there?
I went to 4D and knocked. No one answered. I knocked again, still no answer.
Maybe they weren't home?
I waited 30 minutes. I knocked 3 more times, nothing.
What time was this?
Around 7 p.m. I thought they might be eating dinner or busy.
So you came back later?
I came back at 9 p.m. I knocked again. Finally, someone answered.
Finally. What did they say?
It was a young guy. He looked confused. I said, "Hi, I think my package was delivered here by mistake. It's for 4B.
Did he have it?
Oh, yes, I saw a package, but I thought it was for me. I didn't look carefully.
He didn't check the name?
Apparently not. He went inside and brought the package. It was mine.
Finally.
I was so relieved. I said, "Thank you so much." He apologized. He said, "Sorry, I should have checked."
At least he was nice about it.
Yes, he felt bad, but honestly, the delivery driver should have been more careful.
Definitely. So you got your sister's gift?
Yes, and it's beautiful. She's going to love it.
Happy ending.
Happy ending, but very stressful. I spent 4 hours dealing with this.
4 hours? That's a lot.
Now I always check the apartment number very carefully when I order anything.
Good idea. Let's remember some useful phrases.
I was on hold.
When you call a company and you have to wait, you are on hold. You listen to music or messages while waiting.
I was on hold for 10 minutes, or the wait time was too long.
According to our system,
This is a formal way to say, "Our computer says," or "Our records show."
companies use this phrase a lot when they check information.
I'll open an investigation.
This means they will start looking into the problem officially.
It sounds serious, but it just means they'll try to find out what happened.
By mistake.
This means accidentally, not on purpose.
I took your pen by mistake. Or, I went to the wrong room by mistake.
I was so relieved.
Relieved means you feel better because a problem is solved or stress is gone.
It's a wonderful feeling, like a weight is lifted.
Great phrases. Thanks for listening to English at the Corner Café.
Next time, Alex tells us about a phone problem.
My phone and we had a difficult week.
Can't wait to hear it. Goodbye, everyone.
See you next time.